Hello guys, welcome to again Pulse Fire Tech. In this video I show how to download and install VirtualBox in Windows 11. Let's go start the video. Okay, first of all go to your browser and go into your search engine and search Octopus VirtualBox. After the search engine and your first website coming is your, open this link. You can go into the download page and click on the download. The VirtualBox is general purpose for only virtualization software for x68 and 64 hardware. The latest version is 7.1, so I got download. Click on the download it button. VirtualBox platform package, so it's available for many platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Apple, Linux, and HOTS etc. So I have a Windows 11, so I download this Windows HOTS. Click on the Windows HOTS. Click here to download. Click here to open. And next. Click here next. Going the old version, going to remove. After remove that, again open the virtualization setup. Again open. Going to the next. Again next. You can also select the any drive like D. You have no space available on the C. I have available, so I select the C drive. Next. The warning network interface. This warning that your network may be encrypted due to virtualization box. So again next, and next. You can see that the virtualization box is going to install. Click OK on the error and open again. You can see that the virtualization box is open now. You can install any Windows apps in virtualization box. You can also install Windows 11, Windows 10. So please guys, like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting and information video. Thank you guys.